Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Samina Akhter. I am the assistant teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. I am going to take an English literature class for the students of class 4. So our topic today is from your buzzword book, and the topic is Unit-2, True False plus fill in the blanks and also question answer. This is your lecture number 4 and you will have HW number 3, and the topic is from half yearly term. Okay, my mobile number is also given here if you need. So let's start our topic, dear students. So if you remember the story from the Unit 2, it is called the floating market. Okay, the story is called the floating market and it is about an article. It is actually an article which is about a girl called Lamai and her trips to the floating market, and the floating market is situated in Thailand. Okay, so let's see the fill in the blanks. Number 1, Lamai and her family live on a dash. So the answer will be Lamai and her family live on a farm. Okay, so if you remember that the Lamai and her family live on a farm outside the city. Okay, number 2, it is a floating market dash on a river. So here the word will be located. L-O-C-A-T-E-D. Okay, this is the spelling of located. So it is a floating market located on a river. Okay, number 3, dash call out what they have to sell. So do you remember who call out what they have to sell? Yes, it will be merchants. Okay, merchants. M-E-R-C-H-A-N-T-S, merchants. Okay, dear students, so see, merchants call out what they have to sell, and the meaning of merchants is businessmen or the people who sell things. Okay, number 4, star fruits are Lamai's favorite. Okay, here will be favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Okay, star fruits are Lamai's favorite. Number 5, Lamai sees dash buying souvenirs. So Lamai sees tourist. Okay, the answer here would be tourist, T-O-U-R-I-S-T-S. Okay, tourists are the people who visit new places. Okay, so tourist, Lamai sees tourists buying souvenirs. Okay, souvenirs are the things that they buy from different places as a reminder of that place. Okay, so here these are the 5 fill in the blanks. Now we are going to do the true false. Number 1, in Thailand, life outside the cities is the same as life in the cities. So is it true or false? Is the life outside the cities same as life in the cities? No, it is not same, it is different. So it will be false. Okay, so number 1 is false. Number 2, the family's day starts at 6 a.m. So if you remember the story, the family's day actually starts at 3 a.m. Okay, not 6 a.m. So it is also false. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Number 3, hundreds of boats are gathered at a narrow place in the river. Okay, so here it is said at a narrow place. Narrow means some place where there is not much space, right? So small space. That means it is false, because hundreds of boats are gathered at a wide place in the river. So it is false. Okay, now let's see number 4. Lamai and her mother leave the market with less food but more money for their family. Okay, so Lamai and her mother leave the market with less food. Okay, so in their boat there is less food when they leave, but they have more money for their family. It is true. T-R-U-E, true. Now 5 number, Suki is Lamai's friend. Okay, this is also true. So these are the 5 true false. Now let's see the question answer. So dear students, the 1 number question, see, how is the market to which Lamai goes different from other markets? Okay, how is this market different? So the answer is, the market to which Lamai goes is a floating market located on a river, but other markets are in buildings. Okay, the market to which Lamai goes is a floating market located on a river, but other markets are in buildings. Okay, so number 2, see, how do people travel to reach the market? Answer is, people travel in their boats to reach the market. Okay, so the answer is, people travel in their boats to reach the market. Number 3, where do Lamai and her family live? Where do Lamai and her family live? The answer is, Lamai and her family live on a farm in Thailand. Lamai and her family live on a farm in Thailand. Number 4, where do the market boats gather? Okay, the answer is, the market boats gather at a wide place in the river. The market boats gather at a wide place in the river. Last one, number 5. What do the merchants do to sell their goods? Okay. What do the merchants do? The answer is, to sell their goods, the merchants call out what they have to sell. To sell their goods, the merchants call out what they have to sell. That means they shout out about their products. Okay. So these are the question answer, and remember students, here look, it is the HW also. Okay, you will have HW these 5 question answers. Okay, so dear students, this is the class for today. You have to learn the fill in the blanks, true, false and question answers from this unit, and let's see you in the next class. Thank you.